Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the first steps to use OCTAVEIO drop to Kibana tool. We made it as simple as possible. It may take you some time to understand it all, but trust me, when you get to master the interface, you'll thank us. Let's see basics together. Let's get connected. Please subscribe to our free trial to follow me with this step-by-step tutorial. We are now in our private and secured environment. All my files are here. I want to work on this file. First, I may need to preview it in order to see what my data look like. Here is the help menu above the file options. I'll do it this way. Okay, now the preview option is reachable. Let's click on it and preview our file. Okay, many records right here. Tons of data. It may be a little confusing, but everything seems to be okay. We have number of self-service bikes in Paris, city streets names, numbers, geographical coordinates. We also have a bicycle status, which seems to specify if the station is operational or not, etc, etc. We see the file delimiter is semicolon, so we get what we want. Let's go back and open the drop to Kibana tool. Let's get our valib file. Okay, create. A window pops up asking for an index name and a delimiter. The index name creates a real place for your file in our big data environment. It organizes everything so that your coming queries within your file are working fast and easy. I'll show you a bit later what's in stake about index. You can name it the way you want, but I recommend you only use letters, numbers and underscores so that everything is well processed. For example, I'll use valib, French self-service bikes service in Paris. Yes, we are French. And the date of creation of this video. Now we have three types of data delimiter: comma, tab and semicolon. The delimiter is the sign that delimiters your file columns. If you don't know what delimiter to choose, you have to preview the file, as we did. If you remember well, we saw that the file valib has semicolon delimiter. Now let's click on submit. As you can see, Kibana is launching. No installation, no coding, no more. Just a connection in OCTAVEIO website to get access to this powerful data analytics tool. I suggest you check on YouTube how you should install Kibana and drop your files before OCTAVEIO Big Data Solution made it easy. Now that we are in Kibana Playground, I will show you how to get your file open and discover your data. Good day guys, see you soon for our next tutorial.